In this video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood furniture and the decor ideas that will inspire you. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching my video. We are back again with another amazing video. So let's get started. The beauty of pallet wood furniture and the decor lies in its rustic charm and the artistry of the repurposing. Each piece tells us a story of sustainability and the creativity, transforming discarded pallet into a timeless treasure for your home. In the hand of skilled craftsmen, pallet would become a canvas for imagination. It's a natural, weathered patina adds a character, invoking a sense of history and the authenticity. Every nail hole and the grain pattern narrate a tale of its previous life, contributing to the unique allure of each creation. The simplicity of palette wood is deceptive, for within the humble appearance hide the potential for the design from coffee table to a bookshelf. The versatility of paddle and the palette transcends expectation, showing how simply you can epitome to the elegance. There is a poetic beauty in the fact that something once overlooked and discarded can find a new purpose and appreciation. Pallet wood creation are not just a furniture, they are the embodiment of the sustainable living and the treatment of a transformative power of conscious choices. The artistry of pallet wood extended beyond the functionality. It became a form of self expression. Do it by yourself enthusiast. Find a joy in crafting personalized pieces that resonate with your style. The process of creating, staining, and assembling become a meditative journey, resulting in a future and decor that carry the soulful imprints of their creators. The palette wood decor is a celebration of imperfection, embracing note, crack, and the irregularities as a unique design element. It encourages a departure from a mass product and informality and inviting us to appreciate their irregular beauty that nature and time bestow upon the world. In the world of dominated by the past fast-paced, the appeal of the palette wood lies in its ability to slow us down. It invites us to cherish the journey of creation and appreciate the natural beauty ingrained in the material. Pallet wood furniture can and decor are not just the aesthetic addition to our homes, they are the symbols of meaningfulness and the living and the conscious design. In the realm of home decor, palette would stand as a reminder that beauty can be found in unexpected place. It teaches us how to see potential where other can may see waste or to appreciate the poetry of simplicity. The allure of palette wood furniture and the decor is not just its a visual appeal, it's in the ethos of repurposing, the art of a transformation, and the celebration of sustainable beauties. The versatility of palette wood opens up a wide area of creation and the possibilities. For do it by yourself project, here were some inspiring ideas for what you can make with a palette wood. First of all, you can create a pallet wood furniture. It's include a coffee table and the outdoor furniture. Create a rustic and industrial style coffee table. Be stacking and securing pallet together, sand and finish to a polished look. Design a partial furniture such as lounge chairs, benches, and the table using pallet wood. Ensure the wood is treated for outdoor use. You can also use in a home decor. Home decor it include a wall decor, wall art, floating shelves. Use a pallet wood to craft a floating shelf for a stylish and the functional storage solution. Cut a pallet into various sizes and arrange them to form of unique wall art. Paint or stain them to complement your home decor. Planter and the garden project. Vertical gardening and the raised garden bed. Construct a raised garden bed by assembling pallet and filling them with the soil for growing herbs, flower, and the vegetables. Convert a pallet into a vertical gardening by attaching a porch or the planters and the plant and the ideal for small spaces. You can also craft a custom headboard for a bed repurposing pallet. Add a coat, paint, or stain to match your bedroom decor. Building a simple and functional nightstand using pallet wood for a cohesive bedroom look. Construct a dining table by connecting pallet and finish up with a sturdy top. Add a glass surface for a polished finish. Create a stylish fine rack using pallet wood. Customize the size and design to fit your style. Build a playhouse for a children using pallet. Add a windows or a door and paint for a whimsical touch. Craft a rusty toy box for a storage by repurposing pallet wood. Personalize with the color of stencils. Create a cozy bed for your pets using pallet. Add a cushion or the blankets for extra comfort. Build a raised feeding station for your pet using pallet wood to keep food and water off the floor. Remember to stand still and finish your pallet project appropriately, especially if they will be used indoor or exposed to the element outdoor. With a bit of creativity and the craftsmanship, pallet wood can be transformed into a functional and aesthetically pleasing addition to your home. Certainly, here are a few more creative ideas for a project using pallet wood. Create a custom quote sign for painting and the stencils uplifting for a motivational phrases onto a pallet wood board. Craft your rustic photo frame using pallet wood to add a personalized touch to your picture. Design unique pendant light by assembling pallet wood into a box or the geometry shapes. Pair with the Edison bulb for an industrial look. Construct lamp bases using pallet wood, either as a block base or a creativity shape stand. Build a functional desk organizer using pallet wood to keep your workspace tidy and stylish. Create a bulletin board by forming pallet wood with a wire mesh, providing a rustic backdrop for a note and the reminders. Cut a pallet wood into festive shapes and paint them to create a unique holiday ornaments. Form a weather shape using a cut and arrange the pallet wood pieces, adding a seasonal embellishments. Craft a tool rack for your garden to garage using pallet wood. Hang and organize your gardening tools. Build up a composite bin by constructing a pallet enclosure to composite organic waste. Design a large clock Face using a pallet wood as the backdrop, install clock hands and the mechanism for a functional and the decorative piece. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. So keep watching my video. Thank you so much.
Plot holder ideas. Thanks for being here. We are back again with another amazing video. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we explore the world of do-it-by-yourself garden decor and the plant holder ideas that not only creative but also budget friendly. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of pallet wood project that will truly blow your mind. Pallet wood not just for shipping anymore. It can be transformed into a stunning garden decoration and the plant holders that will elevate your mood and your outdoor space. So let's get started and unleash your inner do-it-by-yourself enthusiast. One of the most innovative use of pallet wood is creating a vertical gardening by attaching potted plant to pallet structure. You can maximize your greenery while saving space. It's like having a living work of art on your garden wall. Turn pallet into a stylish plant stand of various height. This not only adds visual interest to your garden but also provide a ideal space to showcase your favorite spotted plant. You can paint or stain them to match your garden aesthetics. Elevate your culinary experience by creating a herb garden for your pallet wood. Arrange the pallet horizontally, add a soil, plant your favorite herbs. It's an attractive and convenient way to have a fresh herbs at your fingertips. Transform a simple pallet into a cozy garden bench. Add some cushions and throw a pillow for your comfort, and you have the perfect spot to relax and enjoy your garden access. Personalize your garden with custom sign that made from the pallet wood. Paint your favorite quotes, garden family names, and the fun garden saying for your whimsical touch. Create rustic flower boxes for pallets. These can be a hanger fence, wall, or place a table to display a vibrant bloom mix and match different size box for add a visual interest and appeal. Use a pallet wood to build trestles and the climbing plant like beans, peas, and the ornamental vines. These trestles not only productive sport but also serve a decorative element in your garden. Attract a friend for your garden by creating a charming birdhouse for a pallet wood. Paint them in a cheerful colors and make your garden even more beautiful and inviting. Make outdoor entertainment to the next level by building a garden bar from pallet wood. You can have a dedicated space for mixing cocktails.